Hi, today I'm going to show you an underutilized tool in your Google Toolbox called Google Drawings. It is also Fairfax County Public School approved. This tool is so versatile. The sky's the limit. You can create digital posters, mind maps, graphic organizers. It's also a great collaboration tool. And I've been working with second graders and their teachers on learning how to draw simple maps of their choice as part of their geography unit. So today, I'm going to show you how to get started with Google Drawings as I try to begin drawing a map of my grocery store as my demonstration. So let's get to my Google Drive to start off with. And then once at my Google Drive, we're going to look for the New button on the left-hand side. I'm going to click on New and then go down to More. And then from More, I'm going to pick Google Drawings. Now, Google Drawings will pop up and we'll see this blank canvas. Also up on the top left-hand side, there's a box called Untitled Drawing, and I'm going to title my drawing and I'll call it my giant. So now we have that. Next, I'm going to be using this image right here to use as my grocery store diagram. So I need to pull in some images and symbols of what we can find in a grocery store. So I'm going up to the toolbar, up to Insert, going to Shape, and from Shapes, I'm going to pick a rectangle shape. We'll pick this one. I'm going to click in the box. Then from here, I can click and drag by moving the little blue square icon. Then from here, I'm going to put some color into my map. So if I go back up to the toolbar and under Format, I can then go down to Fill Color where there's a little paint bucket icon, and I'll choose Solid and I'll choose the color red. Now from there, I'm going to create my map key right here down in this area. So I'm going to use another function that we can use is if we go back up to the toolbar and I go to Insert and I go down to Line, and from Line I'm going to look for Scribble at the bottom here, and I'm actually going to write in using script of calling this my map key. I can also draw my own shapes, my own images. It gives me, I can freeform it. So now I'm ready to go, and I'm just going to type in map, or rather write in map key. So from there though, I do have to toggle out of map key, rather, or come out of this function. So I'm going to go up to the smaller toolbar and find the scribble icon and basically click on that. And then I can click off to the side, and then that will stop that function from working. So now I need to create in my map key what exactly this symbol means in my map. So I'm just going to duplicate it, a little trick, and bring it down into the map key. So first I need to highlight it, then I'm going to go up to the toolbar under Edit, then from Edit I'm going to go to Duplicate. Then from there I can now move my image into this area. I'm also going to need a title for this, or label this, so we know exactly what this means on the map. So for that, I'm going to go back up to the toolbar, go to Insert, and find a word art. And then from word art, it's going to pull in a box. And then from there, I'm going to type in food aisles, because that's what it's representing, and I'm going to hit Enter. And then I'm going to move this by dragging and clicking and making it much smaller. Then I can move that down in this area. Now, next I need to pull in a Compass Rose image. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going back up to the toolbar and going to Insert. From Insert, I'm going to Image. From Image, I'm going to search the web. It's going to pull up a search box for Google Images, and I'm going to type in Compass Rose. And from here, I'm going to pick this image. So I'll click on that and check will come up, and I'm going to go down to insert on this lower right hand side. Click on that. It's going to pull in my compass rose, and I'm just going to reshape this and move it into my map key. There we go. Okay, now another nifty little feature, again focusing on the collaboration aspect of Google Drawings. If I go up to my toolbar under File, I can go down to Version History, and then I can actually see the different files that have been created and the different versions. So if I pick one of those, I can go back to File, and now I have a bunch of options of what I can do to further create more collaboration. So I can go to download and change that into a PDF file or a JPEG. I can email this to another teacher as an attachment, or I could even publish it to the web where a link will be created and I can send that out, or I can embed the link in another document and share it that way. So a lot of great things with Google Drawings. Hopefully now you can get started on using Google Drawings in your classroom today. Thanks for watching.